Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Claude AI access denied error. If you're seeing an access denied message when trying to use Claude, don't worry. In many cases, this is caused by a temporary browser issue, a connection problem, or a setting that blocks access. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a simple set of checks you can follow to get back in. Start by opening your browser and searching for Claude AI login. From the search results, click the official Claude sign-in page to open the login screen. This makes sure you're starting from the correct page before trying any fixes. Once you're on the Claude page, begin troubleshooting right there. The first thing to try is refreshing the page using the refresh button near the address bar. A quick reload can often clear a temporary loading error and reconnect the page properly. If that doesn't solve it, check your internet connection. You can do this by running a simple internet speed test in your browser. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger access problems, especially when a site is trying to verify your session or load security checks. Next, clear your browser's cache and browsing data. Open the menu in the top right corner of your browser by clicking the three dots, then look for the option to delete browsing data. Make sure cached files and site data are included. This step helps remove outdated or corrupted browser files that may be interfering with Claude. After that, turn off any VPN you may be using and disable browser extensions. Some VPNs can route traffic in a way that causes security blocks, and certain extensions, especially privacy or ad blocking tools, can interfere with sign-in pages or website scripts. If the problem continues, try opening Claude in a different browser. Sometimes the issue is simply browser compatibility, and switching to another browser can quickly confirm whether that's the cause. You should also check whether Claude's servers are currently working properly. If the service is down or having issues, the error may not be on your site at all. In that case, the best option is to wait until service is restored. Finally, restart your browser or your computer or device. This can clear temporary system or browser glitches that may still be affecting access. By following these steps in order, you can rule out the most common causes of the Claude AI access denied error and improve your chances of getting back in quickly. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped.